Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce you to the VASAGLE Ladder Shelf, a versatile 5-tier bookshelf that combines style and functionality with its rustic brown wood look and sturdy steel frame. Designed with stability in mind, this shelf features a solid frame reinforced by X-shaped bars, adjustable feet for balance, and an anti-tip kit for added security. Crafted from robust steel and quality particleboard, this durable shelf is built for long-term use, offering reasonable spacing with shelves 13 inches apart to accommodate even taller items. Despite its ample storage capacity, this shelf takes up minimal floor space, measuring 22.1 by 13.3 by 67.7 inches, and even leaves 7.7 inches of floor space for easy vacuuming. Whether you want to display trinkets in your living room, prop up plants on your balcony, store books in your home office, or hold cooking utensils in your kitchen, this versatile storage rack fits all your needs. Plus, with its simple structure, numbered parts, and illustrated instructions, assembling this ladder shelf is a breeze. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.